Your technology is generating data whenever you use your smartphone, when you chat with your family and friends on Facebook, and when you shop. Anytime you go online, you're producing data and leaving a digital trail of information. All of this data is very complex. There's so much of it from many different sources, in many formats, and it's coming in quickly, in real time. This is big data. Businesses use all of this data to create customized and improved experiences for all of us. Picture yourself at an event like NASCAR's Daytona 500. Cars are speeding around the track at 200 miles per hour. Even the slightest adjustment to a car can mean the difference between a win, second place, or even a dangerous crash. Pit crews use the data that comes from a computer on a car's dashboard to make adjustments to the race cars. Have you tried Coca-Cola's new drink, Cherry Sprite? This drink was invented by monitoring the data from digital service fountains where customers were able to create and mix their own drinks. Coca-Cola knows that people will want Cherry Sprite because customers were making this drink themselves. These organizations, like many others, are generating massive amounts of data every second. And all of this data is being analyzed to create insights that can drive imagination and innovation. But NASCAR and Coca-Cola are not the only companies that are using big data to create amazing products and experiences. Big data is shaping the way companies use information from digital technology to deliver better products and services to their customers, to create unique marketing strategies, and to make their businesses run more efficiently. I'm Ronald van Loon, and I'm a consultant, blogger, a vlogger, webinar host, and a keynote speaker. I'm helping businesses achieve digital transformation and helping you to understand some of the most innovative and exciting new technologies out there today. What are some other specific uses of big data for companies like NASCAR and Coca-Cola? What about some additional everyday uses of big data? Let's find out. There are billions of gigabytes of data being generated every single day by people and technologies all around the world. When you use your Fitbit, you're generating real-time data about your exercise habits, which allows you to monitor and manage your health using insights about your calorie intake, sleeping patterns, and activity level. When you stop off at a Starbucks to get a new coffee that just came out, Starbucks collects data about what drinks are popular and sold at specific store locations and what times of the day are busiest. They use this data to figure out what kind of new drink people will like or where would be a good place to open up a new store location. We're living in a world of big data. But businesses are not just simply collecting all of this data that we are generating. They're actually analyzing it and finding ways to improve their products and services, which in turn shapes our lives and experiences that we are having with the world around us. That's what big data is. It's all of the data being generated in the digital era from all of the different types of technologies out there. What is the specific purpose of big data? What are major companies doing with it? And how does this affect us? Let's take a closer look. Data is always being generated by digital technologies, whether we are using apps on our phones, interacting on our social media, or shopping for products. All of this information combines with other data sources and becomes big data. Companies even combine big data with technologies like machine learning and artificial intelligence to further improve their ability to enhance our daily lives with faster and more personalized experiences. Data is being produced by manufacturing machinery, healthcare equipment at the hospital or the doctor's office, electronic airline tickets at an airport, and from the computer in a connected car. Big data comes from text, audio, video, and images. Big data is analyzed by organizations and businesses for reasons like discovering patterns and trends related to human behavior and other interactions with technology, which can then be used to make decisions that impact how we live, work, and play. Just as I mentioned before, every time you're on an app on your phone or talking with friends on social media, you're leaving a digital trail of your online interactions. This data reveals things about you that helps companies create products and services that make your life better. Like Amazon and Google, who use big data to learn more about your habits every time you interact with your smart home devices, like Amazon Echo or Google Home. Or when you shop online at Target, Sephora or Home Depot, they're using data to analyze the information from your transactions to discover more about you, like how you are searching for products and what you like to buy. Remember my NASCAR example? Crews can even use the data from the car's dashboard computer to make visual simulations that help them learn and predict what might happen in certain racing situations. NASCAR also uses big data to measure fan engagement levels from hundreds of thousands of social and traditional media posts during a single race to detect trends and improve how they interact with fans. These are really some incredible, fascinating uses of big data. From our everyday lives, when we are interacting with our friends and family on our phone apps or social media, to the exciting innovations from NASCAR and Coca-Cola. Big data is not only shaping our lives, but it's changing them for the better, now and moving into the future. Just think that as we go about our daily lives, our technology and big data is helping businesses to understand more about us. And this information is used in turn to shape our experiences for the better. Thank you for joining me today for our discussion of big data. Come and join me for our next episode. What is data science? I'm Ronald van Loon, and this is the Intelligent World. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.